In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google form to your Wix website. This process will help you seamlessly integrate a form for your visitors to fill out directly on your site. Let's get started right away by creating your Google form. First, head over to forms.google.com. Once there, you have the option of clicking on blank if you want to start from scratch, or you can choose from a variety of templates that Google provides. Whichever route you take, customize your form by adding all the necessary questions and descriptions relevant to your needs. After your form is set up and ready, you'll need to share it. Click on send and then choose embed. That's the icon with the two angled brackets like greater than and less than signs. This will give you the iframe embed code, which you should go ahead and copy. Now, let's move on to Wix. Head over to wix.com and click login. If you haven't created a Wix account yet, you'll need to do that first. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific website where you want your Google form to appear. Once you're at your dashboard, the next step is to open the Wix editor. To do this, click on Edit Site. This takes you straight to the Wix editor, where we'll be adding your Google form. Inside the Wix editor, let's add an embed code element. Look to the left toolbar and click on the plus add button. From there, select embed and then embed a widget. Alternatively, you might see an option for custom embeds and then embed HTML, which will work just as well. You'll need to drag and drop the HTML iframe element to the part of the page where you want your form to appear. Once you have your HTML element in place, click on it and choose either enter code or settings, depending on what pops up. Paste the iframe embed code, the one you got from your Google form, into this field. After pasting, feel free to adjust the width and height of the iframe to better fit your site design and make sure it looks great for your audience. With everything in place now, it's time to preview and publish your work. Hit the preview button to see how the Google form looks and functions on your page. It's a good idea to test submitting a response to ensure everything is working as it should. Once you're satisfied and everything looks perfect, go ahead and click Publish to make your form live on your Wix website. Congratulations! You've successfully embedded a Google form on your Wix site. Thank you for watching, and have a great day making those beautiful websites even more interactive.